Hi, folks. Before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Uh, that's what I said, folks. $10,000 a month. This is a massive opportunity. So if you're interested, click that first link in the description below. Now, my coaches are Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmaier, three very accomplished internet marketers in their own right. Now let's get back to that review. You can grab AI Ultimate Content Engine in the second link in the description below at any time during this video. And when you do, I'll give you 5 exceptional bonuses. Bonus number 1 shows you how to supercharge your money online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources every Friday. So if you grab it, you will reach your online income quickly and easily. And bonus number 2 shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. And so that when you get a high value gig, as an example, you can buy the gig from someone on Fiverr, sell it to your buyer at a higher price, and pocket the difference. You become the middleman. Bonus number 3 shows you how to create a recurring passive income with ease. And bonus number 4 shows you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps. And only spend 15 minutes a day doing running the whole system. You receive a high converting website, and all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. And bonus number 5 shows you the trends in affiliate marketing and how to outsell other affiliates marketers. Now, the creator of AI Ultimate Content Engine is Daniel Melandri, and I have been following Daniel for a long time now. He is an online marketing expert who helps marketers and businesses like ours increase your results and success. Now, he is an up-and-comer in many ways, although he has been producing a lot of content in the last year or so. And his products always receive great recommendation and sales. Now, he has over 10,700 sales on Warrior Plus alone. In a nutshell, AI Ultimate Content Engine is a powerful tool that generates high-quality content across multiple formats. And with these tools, you can produce 7 different types of content. And they are social media posts, long video scripts with SEO-friendly elements, short video scripts for TikTok, Reels, and Shorts, blog articles, so detailed and SEO optimized to captivate readers and drive traffic, email newsletters that keep subscribers informed and engaged, infographics to convey key information and insights, and ebook outlines and content to position them as industry experts. Now, consider what you can do with this product. As I mentioned, it creates 7 types of content instantly. There's no technical skills required. It's 100% beginner friendly, and its content crosses multiple formats: social media, video, blogs, and more. It's a secret master prompt and with video training. All content is created by artificial intelligence, and you can boost your online presence with minimal effort. And over and above that, you can establish yourself as an authority in any niche. Now, the sales funnel looks like this. The front end for AI Ultimate Content Engine is only $12.95. But after the launch, it jumps to $17. So act quickly if you're looking for a cheaper price. And this also includes bonuses over and above my own bonuses. And it's you get a full 14-day guarantee. Now, there are 6 OTOs, but watch for the downsells. OTO 1 is an AI Genius Course Forge for $17, whereby you can create a detailed course in any topic or niche in a single niche. Plus, you get 2 more bonuses. OTO 2 is called AI Easy Funnels for $27, and Daniel shows you how to create high-converting sales material with the help of AI materials. There is a bump with this also for $12.97. OTO 3 is an email marketing winner for $27, and really it provides email marketing strategies for you. OTO 4 is a YouTube ranking masterclass for $27, and that is about how to get YouTube videos ranked on the top. Now, OTO 5 is a funnel checking and correction, and that's for $297. And here, Daniele provides analysis and consults with you regarding your product sales funnel. And OTO 6 is a private one-on-one coaching, and it varies from $497, $897, or $887 to up to $1,597. Now, as I mentioned, watch for the downsells. You'll save some money, but you might get less product. Now, if you need to know more, click on that second link below and get the full story about artificial intelligent ultimate content engine. And before I go, check out the $10,000 monthly in that first link below, and my 4 bonuses, because they show you how to, or my 5 bonuses, I should say, because they show you how to supercharge your e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic, buy services from Fiverr, and pocket the difference, gain reoccurring income online easily, earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day running the entire system, and outsell other affiliate marketers. And you will also learn about the trends in affiliate marketing. Now, have a great day, folks. See you next time. Bye for now.